Yeah, some sweet jumps. Okay, give that thing a push. Let's go over here. Oh, sorry, buddy. Getting a playground by our house. Awesome. Scoping out some potential jumps, but nothing looks too promising here. So there is this, I guess. Could launch it off there to down there. I guess we'll give it a shot. The runway is not very nice. Ooh, that wasn't too bad. Liam, come watch the jump. Runway sucks. Woo! Woo! We'll give it one more shot. Not too bad. I see some gravel over here. Let's go check it out. And I guess I could hit that, but oh shoot! You gotta go fix the green one. Oh, yeah, it's stuck right in the middle. Can you get it? Such a trooper. Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Should I go launch it off of that one? It survived. Uh-oh. Liam, where'd it go? Oh, it's still good. We can get out of here. Nice. All right, we gotta get some speed, buddy. Maybe we should try this one. Whoa! I think this one works a little better. Liam's screaming. It's right there, buddy. These jumps aren't very good. Not as good as the gravel jumps we found in Idaho. Woo! That is awesome! We just might need to do a speed run and call it quits. Oh, good job, buddy! Let's go, bud. Let's go fast. Ooh, there's a jump. Ultimate hill climb. And a fail. Oh! Uh-oh! You can fix it, please. You're doing a great job, buddy. One full send. Yeah. Okay, buddies. Say bye to the green one. Oh my gosh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Should you do it again? Oh, stopped in its tracks. We're good, bud. It landed. Whoa! Oops. Let it get one clean jump here and then we'll go home. Oh, that was pretty cool. Oh, there must be a bad lip up there. Ouch. That was the furthest thing from clean. Maybe I should be behind it so I can actually see the takeoff. There we go. But then I don't get the video. There it is. See what happens when we go in here, buddy. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Should we do that again? Oh! Yeah. Okay, hold on. Dad wants to get a video on his phone. 1, 2, 3. Do it again? 2, 3, go! Do it again. All right, buddy. Let's do it again. One more time. And then we're all done. Yeah! That was awesome, huh, buddy? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Liam and I appreciate you guys watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel if you would like the videos to show support. And we're gonna do one more flip for the send-off. All right, let's go home, buddy. Give me a high five. We did it. Bust it. All right.
All right. One more push.
One more push.